Hi, this is Jay, and here is a cute little project I made. It's a little booklet, and inside is a pop-up. So I made this from Lynn Hasty's easing images, her November-December edition. And Lynn is a Bit of Birdsong on email, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the internet. So first of all, let's see. This thing is 3.5 by 5.5. And all of the images are from Lynn. And I just added a bunch of my embellishments. Okay, so it ties with this ribbon. So the cover, underneath the lace curtain scrap, is some images. It's vintage advertisements. And the ribbon tie goes across here, and it's covered by this tag. See, I threaded the ribbon up through the hole, the tag hole, and then back down, so it goes around there, so it's kind of hidden. See the ribbon under there. And then on top of the ribbon here, I've got this doily scrap, vintage, and this image of a lady, and a Bit of Birdsong is the title. And here's a resin bird. And I get these 2019, I get these from Dollar Tree every year for graduation. There's a new date. Okay, and I did the same trick of threading the ribbon up through a hole in the doily and then back down through. So it's not glued, it's just pretty secure. Okay, so I did the same thing with threading a ribbon through the curtain. This is the holes where the rods go, and then back down for the vintage buttons. And then I put this leaf vine trim around those edges. And here are some gold resin hearts. Okay, so for the reveal part, it's a pop-up. I printed the Godey's Fashions Ladies for November 1873 is what it says. It's hard to read because it's very faint. I printed it twice. So one print is for the front and back covers. And this part is I fussy cut out the background. And then I folded it. So it is a concertina. Anyway, it doesn't want to go there. And so it can be folded different ways. It could be even out like this. So the bride is showcased. So I folded it in half, and in each section in half again. So there's 8 folds, 8 sections. And I just glued down the side sections to match the picture in the back. And then I had another image from Lynn's thing, and glued that right there. Can you see I printed tan on the backs of both of these. Isn't that pretty? Okay, there it is, folded up. Let me get that ribbon out of the way.